It's time to invite one of the pillars of our company. At a very young age, he achieved his dream. He is kind, friendly, supportive, sharp-minded, and true champion. Energy level 24/7. Even is thinking when he's sleeping. Please come to the stage, Mr. Bilal, and share your experience.
Good evening, guys. Mashallah, again 1 year passed as per ma'am, and we are again together. So this really exciting moment, and I always see our company main pillar, ma'am and boss, and I motivate myself to watch them how they are working. I try to work same like them. So first of all, happy New Year to China team especially, and to my all brother and sisters. Actually time is short, so only have 5 minutes. I will talk just key things, what we did in 2025 and what we are gonna in 2026. So let's start my PPT. So everyone know my name Bilal Ahmed and I start this company in 2018. I remember still August 6 when I meet first time Mr. Kevin in Dragamart. So almost 8 years with Tobys group, with you guys, and in very young age I learned a lot of from our CEO, from ma'am, from you who's older than me here. So thank you all. So I start as a sales assistant. I remember when we have shop in S3 opposite in S5. So that time Abdullah, Aftab, Mr. Kevin, even ma'am boss, they helped me a lot. They give me opportunity to come Tobys family member in 2018. So you can see in 2022 I start become champion, and this is really my dream. When I joined this company, I see Mr. Ramis, Mr. Aftab, they did like huge sale in that time, and I see in my mind coming when I can make this much sales. So dream not true become true by thinking only. We have to work hard for that. So since 2022, everyone know I'm become champion yearly, and even 2024 I talked to Mr. Umar, my dream to become 12 months champion. So this is possible. So he give me hope, yes possible. So I skip my vacation and I try hard. As now Mr. Azman say 24/7 energy. So mashallah 2025 I get 12 time champion also. So I complete my this dream. So sale technique, this is the things what I learned in this past 8 years experience, especially from our CEO Mr. Toby. Always with him, get new ideas. He's like teacher, teach me a lot, give me tough you can say task that sometimes not easy to achieve, but as his opinion the hard time you can increase. So always I put in my mind whatever I am now it's nothing, this is just beginning, this is just start. So challenges as salesman, this is not easy work to sales only. You have to see like front, back, up, down. From customer mind you have to read what he want. You have to stand by company side, stand by customer side. So this is little special technique that I get in past so many year experience.